Hey, we're in Ice Storm 2014 on this February the 12th, 2014. Whew. You just have to look at these conditions. It's cold out here. Things are frozen. Just look at this. You see this tree? It's frozen solid. Frozen solid. Tree is frozen solid, y'all. The tree is frozen solid. You can't move the tree. It's like one big block of ice. Nothing will move. The limbs are frozen. So frozen. Touch the ground. Oh my God. It's not like snow. You can't just pick it up. It's frozen solid on the ground. You see this? Frozen. You can't press down. I'm pressing down really, really hard. Oh, the precipitation. It's frozen. What do you think about the snowstorm, Grayson?
It's a comment.
Is what?
I'm making a tour.
All right, snowstorm 2014.